it ain't really nobody that's bigger. This getting scary, they calling it thriller. It's crazy, I just had a spot still a nickel. Run off if you want in your life in a pickle. It's simple, I'm playing get popped like a pimple. I bring niggas out, it's like Carter vs. Kimball. No rental, I'm known to hop out, hit his temple. Go get the money, that's all in my mental. He start acting funny, we cut him a killer. I came up from nothing, turned into a dealer, a scammer. Whatever to make me that. Now fat taxes, they take 7 figures. You still want it all? Beat the life that we living. We got all these diamonds, this money is endless. No kidding, just come join the team, be a witness. Ayy, it's a good day. All these sticks on me like a hood day.